Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
What are you doing?
How holy is there leaves?
What are you doing, woman?
I'm celebrating Christmas.
What the crap is Christmas?
It's the day that Santa was born. Santa Claus was born today.
Who's Santa Claus? Your boyfriend? I'm your boyfriend.
No.
What?
I mean, no, he's not.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
That's fine.
But Santa is a big fat man who likes children.
What?
Yeah. And we celebrate his birth on Christmas.
Why?
Uh-huh.
Why would you do that?
Because he's fat, okay? Fat people need to be appreciated sometimes. Right?
I'm just gonna ignore everything you just said and go,
Hey, guys, what you doing? Celebrating Christmas! Christmas! I love Santa Claus! Yay!
How come everybody knows about this Santa Claus except me?
Hey, what you people talking about?
Santa!
Who?
Oh, so it's a girl thing.
Who's this Santa Claus? Does she have another man?
No. He's a fat guy who likes children.
What? So, what?
Yeah, I don't know. I just played with this.
She tastes like Tina's face.
Oh.
Look, I got a beard.
It's so funny, Charlie.
No, it's not.
You just wish you had facial hair. You were a man like me.
Oh, yeah?
That's just your dandruff.
Well, what? So tell me more about this Christmas time.
Sit down, it's story time. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a baby. And he had like a beard. He's really fat. 6'3". He's a baby.
That don't sound like no baby to me.
Well, then one day, baby went to preschool, met other children. Yeah, and then he's like, you guys want some presents? And they're like, goo goo gaga, okay. And then he like pulled out this bag, had like white powder in it. Then they all like snorted it and got like weird. And then he decided that he'd give it to all the children in the world. And now we celebrate his birth! Yay! Yay! Look at my snowman!
What are you weirdos doing?
We made a snowman!
Ah! Snowman head!
I hate everyone. Yeah.
My better. You are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say I want it that way. But we are two worlds apart. Can't reach to your heart when you say I want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never want to hear you say I want it that way. You're one desire. I know it's too late, but I want it there. the way that it used to be. Yeah. No matter distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are my fire, the one desire. You are, you are, you are, you are. Don't wanna hear you sing nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I wanna hear you sing. I never wanna hear you say, oh no, I want it that way. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. I never wanna hear you say, I want it that way. 'Cause what the? Where's this bird come from? What? Get out of here, wrong lyrics. Hey. Oh, tell me why. I never wanna hear